In this video, I am going to show you how to navigate the Typing Trainer website. This website we will be using to help develop our keyboarding skills. Your username is the email address you used when you signed up for your account, and the password is the password you selected. If you don't already have an account sign up, you can definitely sign up for a free account by just clicking on the free sign up just underneath the login information. When you sign up your account, strongly recommend use your Norquest email. That way you're using the same email address for everything within this course. So when I go to sign up for an account, I am using an email address that I will be using when I'm in this computer course. So in this particular case, I'm using my jennifernorquest@gmail.com. Selecting a password. Make sure you repeat the same password. When you go to put in your name, make sure to put both your first and your last name. That way, when you view your results and send them to your keyboarding notebook, your name will be on your results. We want to make sure that we take the time to read the terms of service, and then after reading it, then click that yes, I have read and agreed to those terms. Then we click on Create User. When you first create your account, this is the page that you're going to see. You'll notice on the right hand side it says welcome to your name. You've got this continue studying, take a test, play games, view results, change course, edit settings. Because we haven't started any courses yet, it's going to take us to this main page. After we start working on the courses, it's going to take us to wherever we left off, which is the kind of the nice thing because you don't have to remember that. Before we go into a course, the first thing we want to do is we want to change the average lesson duration to 20 minutes and then click Start Course. When you start the course, you always want to start on the first lesson and work your way through. The goal is to have accurate hand placement and accuracy. Speed will come in time. When you click on the lesson, it'll take you to the lesson and it'll have steps within the lesson itself. Each step will also have a little bit of a timing, how long on average that step will take. When you click on it, it'll start the lessons. One thing to note, the finger placement is going to be color coded for our fingers. So on the mid row is where your hands are going to be resting. The blue is for your index finger, the red is for your middle finger, the green is for your ring fingers, and the purple is for your pinky finger. And when you're ready, you just click on the next page to continue on. So we've just finished the first part of Welcome to the Typing Trainer. If you don't have time to finish all the different steps, no problem, just hit Close Lesson, and the next time you sign in, it'll take you right back. So if it still says in progress, that means that you still need to go back and finish that lesson. When you've done practicing for the day, just click on the Log Out button, and it'll take you back to the login page. If you log out by mistake, no big deal, just log back in using your email address, and it'll take you back to where you left off. You can view your results at any time while you're working through the course by clicking on View Results, which are on the right hand menu here, or you can also click it on View Results at the bottom of the page. So I click on View Results and it takes me to what I've completed so far. You'll notice that it also will put the date that I've completed it and the time that's spent on it. If I want to check a different course, if I click on the drop down menu, it'll show which courses that I've done. Since I've just created this account, I haven't actually gone into any of the other courses or done anything yet, but as you progress through the term, you'll see the different courses listed. Additional tests is where you're going to see any typing test that you've taken. At this time, again, I haven't taken any typing tests yet, so why don't we take one now? By just clicking on the right hand side, it says Take a Test. To take the test, we need to actually choose what text we're going to be typing from our drop-down menu. So we just click on the drop-down menu, and for this course, we're going to focus on selections that are under the beginner. and then click Start Typing Test. By default, the test duration is going to be 1 minute. So whenever you're ready, you just hit the space to start, and you start typing. Last week. If you make a mistake, you can always backspace to correct it, or you can leave it. So when you get your test results, it's going to give you an accuracy level. So for that test, I only had 96% accuracy. And my gross speed, so how fast I was typing, including my errors, is 31. My net speed, you'll notice, is only 30. And that's because I wasn't 100% accurate, so my speed was reduced to reflect the fact that I was not accurate. Now if I go to view my results, now when I click on additional tests, I see where it was. So I've got the date, I've got the time spent, and that I passed. Right now, don't worry about the status passed or failed. What your teacher is going to be looking at is going to be looking at your adjusted speed and your accuracy. For a typing test account, it does need to have an accurate speed of 98%. I'm going to go back and look at my touch typing course. And I want to send these results to my keyboarding notebook. When I go to click on print, it opens up a print friendly window. And in the top right corner is where I'm going to hit print again. And when I go to hit print again, this is where I need to actually set what the printer is. Before we hit print, we want to take a look at the destination. We want it to say send to OneNote. In this particular case right now it's saying send to a Smart Notebook document writer. That's not what we want. So we're going to click on change, and I'm going to click on send to OneNote 2013. Now this computer has 2013 on. Your computer will say OneNote 2016. Now that we have it being sent to the OneNote, we're going to click on print. And it's going to open up the dialog box for our OneNote, and we want to make sure that we send it to the right spot. If you don't see your keyboarding netbook here, just hit cancel, open up your notebook, and then hit print. Because I want it to be a new page, I'm just going to click on my section called Touch Typing Course, and I'm going to hit OK. And it comes out and labels that page as print out, at which point I can right click on it, rename it to whatever name that I need to call it, whether it's checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe it's just saying I've got my course completed. So that's how we use Typing Trainer. Thanks for watching the video.